Hi.
Happy Tuesday! Hello! Xin chào! Welcome to my class! Wow!
Yes.
Can you see teacher clearly?
Yeah, I can see you.
Nice! Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear your voice clearly.
Nice! Very good! My name is Teacher Anne. What about you? What's your name?
My name is Jen.
Wow, nice to meet you, my dear
Nice
Chan.
to meet you too.
You have a beautiful name. Wow.
Your name is beautiful too.
Wow. Thank you. Okay. So, my dear, how are you today?
Um, Today the weather is not good, but I feel happy because this is the first lesson with you.
Wow, wow. I'm so happy as well, my dear. But I'm glad you're okay. My dear,
Yes.
my dear Trang, so what did you do before our class?
Yeah, I just wake up.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah, a
okay.
little bit late. But today, I'm feeling not good because of my that GERD will happen once in a month. Do you know that?
Again, my dear, once a month?
I mean that in the time of the period time for every woman will happen in the body. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, okay. So you
yeah,
need
you
to take
understand?
a rest, my dear.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Was it
So my body
painful?
is a little bit tired.
Oh
Yeah.
no. But was it painful, my dear?
Um
Like a little, I, do you feel any cramps?
I think it's not happen as usual because
Mm.
special my body is not like anyone else. Just more than as usual.
Nice. But my dear, did you eat your lunch?
Yes, that I had today is
Tuesday.
three yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So I ate lunch. Yeah.
So what did you eat, my dear?
I eat meat, pork meat,
Oh.
uh, and some vegetable. Yeah, I
Nice.
prefer more vegetables, so I often eat more than some kind of meat.
Yes. And I think you need to have a sugar, like chocolate, if you're on your
Oh,
period. Yes.
to make my stomach feel better, right?
Yes, yes, that's right, my dear. Like
Yeah,
chocolates.
thank you
Do
so
you
much.
like eating chocolate?
Yeah. I love it. But I don't eat too much
Yeah.
because it will it will gain my weight. You know
Yes,
that? Yeah.
yes. It will
So
make you.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so only a little amount of chocolate.
yeah. Sometimes,
Okay,
just sometimes.
wow. Okay, are you now ready for our class, my dear Chang?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay, so
ready.
my dear, today we're going to talk about free time activities. Nice. Free time activities. And my dear, in this lesson, you will practice answering questions based on part one of the IELTS speaking test. And you will learn and practice some different ways to talk about what you do in your free time and phrases you can use when you don't know much about a topic. And of course, you will practice pronouncing F as in fun and V as in one.
Yes.
Ready? Ready, my
Yeah,
dear?
I'm ready.
Nice. Okay, so first, let's have a warm up practice. So let's start by pronouncing some words. Okay, so first I'm going to say the word and you need to repeat them after me. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Nice. Okay. Fun.
Fun.
Very good. Next. Van.
Uh, yeah. Actually, I'm practiced before the lessons. Yeah, I practice at home before the lesson, so I can
Wow.
move it faster than this one because
Okay.
I feel
Okay.
like a little bit slowly. But it's good for some part that I don't prepare before. Yeah,
Nice.
if
Okay.
I haven't practiced, I won't tell you. Yeah, to take it slowly.
Good. Wow, you're so smart, my dear. I like that. Okay, so another word, my dear, save.
Same,
Save.
same.
Leave.
Leave,
Leave.
leave.
Serve.
Sub,
Serve.
serve.
Okay, so my dear, I'm going to choose five words and please tell teacher whether it's from group A or group B. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so how about Von?
A
Are you sure, Von?
van. Oh, can you have me to review a little bit because I don't
Okay,
remember group A or B. Like
okay.
I know exactly yeah, B
Yeah,
B.
okay, be good. Nice. Next one. Serve.
A
Serve? Are you sure? Serve?
so
Serve? Is
so
it group A or group B?
so
Serve.
so mm, A
Let us see if it's letter A, group A.
A. One more
It's
time, one more time. Or because can I write down?
yes,
Um,
you can, my dear. It's group.
how can I write down it? Note. Is this a note? Oh no, no, it's not a note.
You want
Um,
to write down?
yeah, I want to write in the screen. Because some word that I really know, but I don't remember which group A or B.
Okay. So do you want me to give you some time to like memorize the words?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. One more thing I want to ask you. How can I write in the screen when I write? Or
You want
use my pen?
yes, my
Yeah, I want to use my pen.
do you want
Oh, yeah, I see it.
okay. Go, 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 my dear. You can do
Oh,
it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Go, go,
Need
go, my
an
dear.
example. Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Ready?
Okay, you can. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, again, my dear. What group does save belongs to? A or B? Save.
Yeah. One more time.
Save. Is it group A or
B
group
B
B?
B B.
Nice,
B.
good. Okay, next, how about safe?
A.
Nice, good. And lastly, how about fun?
Fun. A.
Nice,
Fun.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, how about you, my dear? Can you choose 5 words and then I'm going to say whether it's from group A or group B? Or you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 second. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Then.
It's letter B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Safe. Safe.
B.
Save.
Serve.
No, no, it's the
Surf.
safe.
Ah,
Safe.
it's letter A.
Yeah, yeah. Um, more,
Okay.
V.
B. Leave.
Yeah, yeah, you
Okay.
got it. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Self.
So A.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Next. Last one, my dear.
Yes. Mm, Fan.
A.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Yes, I had fun, my dear. Yay.
Yeah, I have to too.
Wow. So this time, my dear, I'm going to say different activities and you need to repeat them again after me. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, playing rugby.
Playing rugby.
Good. Doing yoga.
Doing yoga.
Nice. Painting.
Painting.
Playing the violin.
Playing the violin.
Good. Watching tennis on TV.
Watching tennis on TV.
Baking.
Baking.
Kayaking.
Kayaking.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping.
Wow, I like your pronunciation, my dear. Good. Wow.
No, no. Actually, when I say the single word, it will more exactly than when I talk in a long sentence. Yeah. Sometimes when I pronounce some word in sentence, there will be mistakes, and will have some mistakes in pronunciation.
Oh,
So when I'm yeah, so when I'm answering your questions, if have any mistakes, you can fix it for me.
oh, okay, my dear. No, okay, I'm going to correct if there are some
Yeah,
mispronounced words. Okay, but you're doing great so far. I like it.
yeah.
Yay. Okay,
I will do
so
my best.
nice. I like the fighting spirit. Okay. Okay, my dear. So we have here 8 pictures. And can you please tell teacher what you see in every picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Picture one shows people doing yoga. Picture
Ah,
two shows a girl playing violin.
Nice.
Picture 3 shows someone painting.
Nice.
Picture 4 shows the um how to use the word to it in the word to describe this action.
Yes, it's verb, my dear. Action words. Kayaking.
Ah, kayaking is a verb.
Yes, because it's what he do.
Ah,
Yeah, it's an
really?
activities. Just like painting. It's an action
Ah,
word. Verb.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Picture 4 shows he he kayaking.
Nice. The
Yeah,
man,
yeah.
or you could say, my dear, the
The
man
man.
is
The man is kayaking.
nice. Good. Next one.
Picture 5 show the woman is jumping, bungee jumping.
Nice. Good. Yeah. Have you tried bungee jumping before?
No, not yet.
But do you
Yeah,
want to
I feel
try?
scared. No, 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 I'm not.
Me too. I don't want to try that.
Yeah, I don't want to try it.
I
I'm scared of the height.
yes. Wow. We're the same, my dear. I'm afraid of heights. Or I'm scared of heights. Good. Next one. Picture number
This
6.
one, picture 6 shows a team playing. I don't know that sport.
I think
Uh,
it's rugby.
rugby. Okay.
Yes, rugby, my
Um,
dear.
it's not popular in Vietnam.
Oh.
Um, yeah, I don't know how to play it. Maybe it's played as soccer, but a difference is people can hold a ball, but
Yes.
when the football player just use the leg to
Yes.
move the ball. Yes,
Nice.
as I think it's just the difference between two kind of sport.
Wow. Good. Yeah, that's actually correct, my dear.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, really?
Yeah, that's correct. Players usually use their legs when playing soccer.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, how about for picture number 7?
Picture 7 shows a couple, maybe a nice couple,
Nice.
watching TV.
Could you please say it again, my dear? 7.
7,
Oh,
yeah.
good. Yes,
Picture
good.
7,
Nice, good. So, what do you think are they watching, my dear?
we were watching football match.
Football match? Oh, but there is a net, my dear. A net
A
in the
net?
middle. Yes, look.
Oh, it's quite hard for me to see it.
That's okay,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, me too. That's why we need to zoom in. Okay.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. A net
what
maybe is
sport?
basketball. No,
Oh,
no, it's not basketball. It is baseball. Mm, let me check it
okay.
and
Uh,
Google it. Yeah,
I think it's tennis, my dear. Tennis.
and it
Tennis.
is
Yeah, they are
no, it's
watching
not tennis.
tennis. It's
No,
blurred.
because tennis
Tennis?
just use
Table.
yeah, table tennis.
Yeah, table tennis.
Yeah,
But there is
um,
no table in the TV, right? So probably it's not tennis. Okay,
basketball.
hmm?
Maybe I think it's basketball.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me
I think basketball. Okay. It's kind of
yeah,
blurred.
let me show you. Let me
Okay.
show you. Yeah,
Basketball?
this one. Yeah, have a nest and the basketball too. You know that a nest.
Mm.
Uh, that's maybe it will happen in in the house, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
skip that.
So
Just
they are watching.
yeah, just they are watching TV.
Okay. How about, wow. How about picture number 8?
Picture 8 shows a woman and her daughter. No, no, not a daughter, and son maybe. Her children. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
good.
the woman and her children are baking.
Nice, good. How about you, my dear? Do you like baking?
Yeah, I love baking, but I don't have enough time, so I
Wow.
often do it in the weekend, at the weekend.
Wow, but you like sweets. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. I often make some cake for my family. Especially
Wow.
my son love cake.
Wow. I wish I could taste your cake. I think it's delicious, my dear.
It's not
Oh.
delicious like you think.
But it's you who made it, so I think it's
Yeah,
delicious.
yeah, I love home cooked meal. So I cook
Ooh.
every evening.
So meaning you're a chef. You're Chef Trang.
Yeah, I'm a chef of my family.
Yeah, wow. That's actually
Just
right.
serve, yeah, just serve for my family. No one else can try it.
But it's a good thing, my dear. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay, so next, my dear, we have here likes and dislikes. Okay, so again, I'm going to say some words and phrases, and I want you to repeat them after me. I
yeah.
enjoy,
I enjoy.
I'm really into,
I'm going into
my favorite thing is
my favorite thing is
good. I find really fun.
I find really fun.
Good. I find really relaxing.
I find really relaxing.
Nice. I don't like.
I don't like.
Nice. I love.
I love.
I hate.
I hate.
Oh, good. So, can you please tell teacher, my dear, how you feel about each of the activities above using these phrases? The activities
I
like
yeah
baking.
yeah. I won't use this sentence. I will use these phrases to
Mm.
make the sentence
Good, yeah.
using the activity that we do before, right?
Yes, my dear, the activities that were mentioned above. Here, the
Yeah. Okay.
activities. Okay. Like painting, kayaking, watching, baking. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay. So first,
Well, I I enjoy watching TV.
Oh.
I'm I'm really into baking
Mm.
and in the weekend. Yeah, yeah, in the weekend, eat or and on the weekend, right? On
At
or eat
the weekend, my dear.
at the
Yeah, at
weekend.
the weekend. Okay.
Okay, I'm really into baking at the weekends.
Okay.
My favorite thing is painting.
No.
Painting.
Good.
Yeah,
Painting. Could you please say it again?
painting.
Nice. Good.
Painting.
Okay.
And I tried playing the violin. Really fun. But I tried um,
Bungee
what else?
jumping?
Oh no 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 no! I don't like bungee jumping. Yeah.
Okay, so
Uh yeah. What else? Um do yoga, right?
yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I find doing yoga very relaxing.
Oh, good.
And I hate playing kayaking. Yeah,
Okay.
I hate kayaking
Okay.
because I'm scared of water.
Oh,
I
okay.
can swimming.
Yeah, could you please say it, my dear? I'm scared of.
I'm scared of I'm scared I'm scared of water.
Good. And I don't know how to.
I don't know how to swim.
Yeah, yeah, good. Good.
Yeah,
Nice. Okay. Wow. Me too, my dear. I don't know how to swim, to be honest.
you and me are the same.
Yeah. I've never been into swimming before, or even at the swimming pool. In the swimming pool, I haven't been into swimming pool before
Yeah.
because I'm afraid of water. Okay. How about, my dear, I love.
I love painting. Yeah, I love
Oh,
painting.
okay. Next, I hate.
I hate bungee jumping.
Yeah. I know you'll say it, my dear. Okay, good. Wow. So this time, my dear, let's have a speaking test dialogue. Okay,
Yeah,
so teacher will be the examiner and you will be Andre. Okay, so
yeah.
what do you like doing in your free time, Andre?
I'm really into sports. I enjoy playing football and rugby, but my favorite thing is winning.
Ooh, why do you like that best?
Well, I love swimming in the sea. I love the waves and the sand. Sometimes I spend all day at the beach.
Wow, I like that. So, what do you like doing in your free time, Haruto?
I enjoy playing video games with my girlfriend.
Mm.
We both really, really like Pokemon.
Ooh, why do you like video games?
Well, one thing I really like about playing video games is that I can do it in my room, so I don't have to go out to have fun. It is a good way to have fun without spending any money.
Nice, good. Okay, how about Yunwo? What do you like doing in your free time, Yunwo?
I really like music. I like playing music, listening to music, and talking about music too.
Why do you like it so much?
Well, my family loves music, so I have been playing it since I was a kid. I find it quite relaxing.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? I've.
I
Nice.
I've
Good.
been, yeah.
Good. Nice. Good. Good. Very good, my dear. So this time I'm going to ask questions and you need to answer me. Okay. So, my dear Trang, what does Andre like to do in his free time?
Okay, let me check it. Mm, what um
Do you want me to
entry?
share
I
this?
know I
Okay.
was I will see in my screen. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
Go,
it
go.
just show the question.
Okay, go, go, my dear. You can do it.
Okay. What the entry like to do? He is really into sport. He enjoys playing football and rugby, but his favorite thing is swimming.
Nice. Wow. I like it, my dear. It's a complete sentence. Very good. Next one. What does Haruto like to do in his free time?
Naruto, he enjoys playing video games with his girlfriend.
Mhm. Nice. How about Yunwo, my dear? What does Yunwo like to do in his free time?
He knew he really liked music. He likes playing music, listening to music, and talking about music.
Nice, good. How about you, my dear? Do you like listening to music?
Yeah, I'm keen on music. Yeah, I'm keen on listening to music too.
Ooh, nice. Okay, what's your favorite song?
Love Me Like You Do. Do you
Oh,
know that song?
love me like you
Love
do.
me like
La
you.
la, love me
La,
like you. That's it,
la,
my
la,
dear.
la. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Oh, touch me like you do.
A very
Yeah.
famous song.
Oh, yeah, that's correct, my dear. It's famous. Oh, wow. Okay. It's also my favorite song. Wow. Okay. So, my dear, again, I will be the examiner and you need to complete the dialogues. Okay? We have
Yes.
here until 8 and you need to choose your answers from the answer pool.
Yeah,
Okay. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So first, what do you like doing in your free time, Laura?
I'm really, I'm really I'm really into watching movies. My favorite thing is going to the cinema and watching action movies.
Wow, I think you really know this, my dear. Okay, why do you like action movies the best?
Well, I love action movies because they are exciting.
Oh, good. Next one. So I'm going to answer this. What do you like doing in your free time, Yanting?
I really, I really enjoy playing tennis on. Oh no, 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 watching tennis. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay, good. Okay, but
I really enjoy watching tennis on TV.
nice, good. But do you like playing it as well?
No, not really. I'm too old to play, but I love watching it. Dot. Though,
No. Yeah, yeah. Could you please say it again, my dear? Though.
though,
Oh, nice. Okay. What do you like doing in your free time, Saya?
well, I really like doing yoga.
Nice. Why do you like it so much?
I find it very relaxing.
Wow, good job, my dear. Very good. So you answered it all correctly. So next one, can you tell teacher your favorite thing to do in your free time? Oh, I'm going to read this, my dear, and you need to repeat them after me. Okay?
Yeah,
I'm really into. Oh,
I'm
we've done
really
this.
into.
Okay, my favorite
Yeah,
thing. Yeah, we did this
yeah,
earlier. Okay,
yeah,
so
exactly.
okay, so let's. Uh, can you answer the questions, my dear, using the phrases above? So the
Yeah, I
first
prepared it.
question. Okay, complete sentence, my dear. Okay, so my dear Trang, what are you really into?
I'm really into listening to music and talking about music too. It is
Right.
great way to reduce stress and recharge my battery.
Good. But what do you find relaxing?
I find doing yoga relaxing.
Mm.
Yeah, it helped me to temporarily forget all the pressure from my daily life.
Ooh, just like this one, my dear.
Yeah, exactly. Just focus on myself and don't think anything else.
Yes, it's healthy for your mental health, my dear. Good
Yeah.
job. Okay, what do you hate doing, my dear?
I don't like reading books. Yeah, I find boring.
Okay. But how about on the weekends, my dear? What do you like doing on the weekends?
I love hanging out with my son and my husband on the weekends.
Okay. How about what else do you like doing in your free time and why?
Yeah, I enjoy cooking too and having meals with my family in the evening.
Okay, so we have here. Good job, my dear. Very good for answering my questions in complete sentences. Great job. So this time we have here uh different phrases and I'm going to say it again and you repeat them after me.
No, just
Okay.
yeah. I know this have one more time, 1 minute left. Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
we
just
only have 1 minute. So okay.
so I just I will read it. If have any mistake, you just pronounce it for me.
Okay. Go, my dear.
Unfortunately, not. I'm not really interested in. I don't have any skill in that area. I've never really tried. I learn. I would like to learn in the future. Not so thought or so. Oh,
Though. Go, my dear,
though,
though.
though
Okay,
in the
nice.
future, though
Okay, like this one. I would like to learn in the future, though.
I would like to learn in the future, though.
So we don't have any much time left, my dear. We only have 1 minute. But thank you so much, my dear Trang. I really enjoyed
Yeah.
teaching with
See
you.
you next.
See you
See
again
you next
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
see
See you
you again
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care
Thank you so
always.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care.